Hello techies. So in this lab we're working on 9.3.7, which is poison ARP analyzed with Wireshark. And you are the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. You believe a hacker has penetrated your network and is using ARP poisoning to infiltrate it. In this lab, your task is to discover whether ARP poisoning is taking place as follows. Use the Wireshark to capture packets on the NP to Azure interface for 5 seconds. Analyze the Wireshark packet to determine whether ARP poisoning is taking place. Use the 192.6 address to help make your determination. Then we're going to answer the questions. Remember that this is 9.3.7 lab. Alright, so let's start up. Remember, if you found this video too fast for you, you can always pause and work at your own pace. Alright, so let's open up Wireshark and EMP2, and then we're going to start for 5 seconds. So we stop. I think it's up to 5 seconds now, and then using the ARP poisoning taking place. Alright, what is the next step? ARP. Let's maximize this so that this is clearer for you all. And ARP. So 192.168.0.2 IP. So let's check the questions. What is the MAC address of the first responding device? Okay, so the MAC address of the first responding device is going to be okay. Let's type it. Let's close this for now and make sure we're doing the right thing. Okay, we go to questions again, and the MAC address is this. Yeah. Okay. All right. So this is the MAC address here. 00:001B 23. Okay, yeah, I think that is it. What is the MAC address of any of the duplicate responding devices? So for duplicate responding devices, let's scroll. Duplicate responding devices is gonna be, let's see. Zero zero semicolon 001B capital B rather 3322. Okay, so this is information we got from this area. We'll go to our questions, and that is it. So we just check. Yeah, so this is correct. So we check our answers. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.